She was the only girl in the room, but that didn't stop her, and for 65 years, no mathematician on Earth could solve the problem she was about to crack. Neena Gupta grew up in a modest home in Kolkata, solving riddles her father set for her and her brothers over evening chats at the dinner table. She studied honours mathematics at Bethune College, then moved to the Indian Statistical Institute for her master's degree, often sitting alone as the only woman in a classroom full of men. She began a doctorate in commutative algebra, and her advisor handed her a question that had defeated the world's best minds since 1949, the Zariski Cancellation Problem. The rule seemed almost obvious. Cancel a variable from an equation and you should get the same shape back. Mathematicians had assumed it for 65 years. In 2014, still a young researcher, Gupta proved them wrong. She built a counterexample showing the rule collapses, settling a question that had outlasted its own creator. The Indian National Science Academy called it the best result in algebraic geometry they had seen in years. At 35, she became the youngest person ever to win India's top science prize, then added the Ramanujan Prize in 2021. She now teaches at ISI Kolkata, telling every girl who will listen that fear, not ability, is what keeps them out of mathematics. It is not true that girls are inherently bad at maths, she says. There is only fear. The girl who once solved riddles at her father's table grew up to prove that the only real barrier was being different in the room, never the power of her mind.